Let's now talk about how C++ was created. C++ was designed by Bjarne Stroustrup from AT&T Bell Labs in the early 1980s. C++ is one of the greatest inventions from Bell Labs, together with C, together with the laser, together with Unix, with many other things that came from Bell Labs in the early 1980s. Unix C and C was created in 1970s. Then we have object orientation with Smalltalk. So Bjarne Stroustrup integrated object orientation into C, creating C++. C++ is now a widely accepted object-oriented low-level computer language, and that is very important because anything that you can do in C, you can do it in C++. But with object orientation, with strict typing, so in general, you are going to see that most applications now that need to be implemented natively, they will be implemented in C++. C is still used, but it's going to be used in the operating system level, low-level programming, like programming drivers. C++ is more for large applications. You are going to see applications like Chrome, MySQL, Internet Explorer, Safari, MS Word. Any large application that runs natively is built into C++, and that is why C++ is important. C++ is a superset of C, that is code that is written in C, is compiled in C++. So you can see in this Venn diagram, you have C, and C++ is going to be a superset of C. So what it means is that C++ is backward compatible. Anything that is compiled, that has been done in C with some minor adjustments, can actually compile in C++. And that is very important. Now, what you are going to see is that C++ looks very much like Java. However, that is not an accident. Okay? Remember that when Java was created, C++ was one of the most prevalent languages out there. So James Gosling, when he created Java, he wanted the programmers to start programming in programming in Java immediately. So the syntax that Java uses was borrowed from C++. So you are going to find out that if you already know Java from CS180, you already know mostly the C++ syntax. Because Gosling used C++ as the base to design the Java syntax, so in this way C++ programmers could learn Java now. So and that is going to be a good thing. So intuitively, you, together with CS240, when you know C, and with Java, you mostly know C++. There are going to be some minor details, like for example, C++ is not garbage collected, and therefore you will need to call delete. That is going to be a major difference. You have to be more careful, because actually, you are going to see that C++ has the same power as C. Anything that you are able to do in C, you can do in C++. However, it's going to be very easy if you are writing into a pointer that is not initialized. You can get a sec-v, and also you can have out-of-bound exceptions, etc. So it's still as error-prone as C. Okay. However, you will see that the compiler in C++ is more strict, and that is going to be better in your side. You can detect errors faster by having a strongly typed language like C++.